Welcome back everybody. I got Boots down here in the garage. It's dark again. I just got home from the other shop. But Boots is sitting here hanging out. I got our O2 bungs welding in our downpipe today. I got them used plasma cutter at the other shop. And I blew them out of the other downpipes and welded them in here. So they're attached in there. Also took the plasma cutter and blew a hole for a wastegate, and it's mounted. So now I'm going through just some various rolls of header wrap that wasn't enough to really do anything with, but I want to use them on this. Just get them out of the floor. I saved all the old header wrap off the other downpipe. It's down there. We're going to reuse it on this downpipe. And I got some more of that black over there, so I'm going to wrap it down to where it comes out of the back bumper. What you done, buddy? But I'm going to get busy since it's late. I'm going to at least try to get this turbo stuff bolted back on the car tonight. Still got to drill a hole for our tab bearer. Just flange, just still a little rough. Didn't bother cleaning that up. I did take a belt sander to the front face today. Made sure it was still flat. But other than that, I'm going to finish wrapping all this pipe up, and then I'll be back giving an update. Let's get busy. Alright, and just like magic, the turbo's back on here. Got her hot side wrapped down there. Got her turbo brace in there. I actually welded a piece of this back bar, and this is a slip fit in here. It's good and solid, which the compressor housing's loose. But still got good clearance up here for our turbo blanket. Next thing is I'm going to go ahead and put the downpipe on it. That way I can get the turbo blanket back on it. We'll go from there. So I'm going to get back busy. It'll be just a few seconds for you, but probably 30-45 minutes for me. So be back soon. Well, we got our turbo blanket back on there. Our downpipe's bolted back on. You notice I only wrapped the elbow section of this around the O2 sensors. Just to help. I really don't like putting a 90 this close to the turbo. But in this application, we really didn't have much choice because of our clearance down here. Our wideband, I've got it run up. I've still got to put a screw in it over here to attach it. Our factory O2's hooked up. The harness is almost too short. It's not got a lot of tension on it, even though it looks like it does. But got both our O2s in there. Our downpipe's bolted on. Our turbo blanket's on. I'm going to see what else I can get done. It's getting pretty late. But I had to go upstairs, get a rear bumper, and get it mocked back up. Because when I painted that downpipe, I did lose my mark for clearance. So we're back on there with that. I am going to have to notch the bumper just a tear bit more there, which don't really matter. This bumper was pretty much junk anyway. Because I'd already cut airflow stuff out in it before, so cutting it a little bit more ain't gonna matter. So got that done. Like I said, I'm gonna see what else I can get done tonight. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, and I'm back again. Got Boots down here in the chair. He's been sleeping, and now he's awake, and so I guess he's dirty. So other than, you know, getting the turbo mounted and the downpipe, the only other things that I did get done tonight, I got the bell mouth stuck back on it, and I am going to run it like this. I will probably put a screen and clamp it around the backside. Just keep anything that may sling up off the tire. Like I said, our downpipe's there. I got our O2 harness for our wideband secured over here on the side. Got our throttle pedal harness. I got it run down our back bar here. I got our computer mounted right there temporarily with a couple of zip ties. May not be temporary. May leave it like that. But tomorrow I got to extend these wires, and I really need to start running some wiring on this car, which is not going to be super fun stuff for y'all to watch. I'll probably do some fast forward videos doing that. That's assuming that I have enough time in the afternoon when I get home to do this. Still haven't ordered the parts. That's my bad. But just haven't had time. And I'll probably go upstairs tonight unless I forget and do that. But I really need to start running through the harness. I could start this motor up right now if I had the fuel pump stuff wired up in it. Like I said, if you go back to our video where I pulled the engine out of the Pontiac, this is how I had all the wires run up the front, and I run the car off that, separate from the car harness. So it will run like this. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to integrate it into the chassis harness for the Geo. I'm going to keep a couple of spare hot wires here, and I'll probably cap them off with some heat shrink and roll them up and put them in places, just so I have them for accessories later if I need it. This car is not going to have a whole lot of electrical stuff. We're literally going to have a wide band in the dash and our lights. That's all the electrical loads this car is going to have, other than our engine, our fuel pump, and our fans. So I'm going to call this a video for tonight. And if you like this kind of cheap, low budget, use wiring harnesses out of other cars and mix them with the wiring harness of another car, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. And that little bell down there, if you click it, you'll get notifications when I upload a video. And it may not be a video for this, it might be a video for this, or the green car, or maybe the blue Geo, or something cool at the shop. So make sure you do that, and I'll see you tomorrow.